Hey YouTube, guess what? We're gonna do something today that's kind of fun. You ever had that opportunity where you needed a Cat 5 cable or a cable to attach a PS4 to the outlet, but yes, you can't find one that's quite long enough? Well, today we're gonna learn how to make them. It's really easy to do, and so let's just sit back and enjoy and let's watch this as it unfolds. So, what you're gonna need is your RJCCT1 connectors, which are you can get at any big box store. I got this at Lowe's. You're gonna need some Cat 5 cable, which I just happen to have laying around the house. You're gonna need two Cat 5e cable ends, which were really kind of inexpensive to get. You can get a package of 10 for like $11, and you're gonna need a knife. So first off, what we're going to do is we're going to trim off about 3/4 of an inch of the shielding. Maybe. I guess my knife's not as sharp as I thought it was. There we go. Okay. To reveal the 6 wires. Okay. And what I usually do is I take this little piece of nylon here, come up with the edge and just kind of trim it off. Now, it doesn't really matter how these wires go in, but there's a certain sequence in accordance with the manual. So you always refer to your manual when you're doing this. This is just a demonstration. So, but I know that it's going to go orange stripe, orange, green and white stripe, blue, white, green, brown stripe, brown. Okay, that is how it goes. That's just the way the ones that I've made them, the directions that I followed. So you just want to make sure that you got them going in the right direction. Just got to kind of fan them out, smooth them out. And this is kind of the fun part, just making sure everything goes in where it's supposed to go, straight. Okay, we have that green and the brown and white in there. So once you get them all kind of straightened out like that, if you notice, they're various lengths. So you take your handy dandy little wire trimmers here, come back through and just make a nice straight cut. And you just feed them in like so. Push it in. And since we're using an 8-pin, we're going to go to the 8-pin here. Slides in. Crimp. There we go. One side's down. Rinse and repeat on the other side. So you come over here. Now remember, we got to remember our sequence that we got here. And if you look closely in the end of it, you can kind of see the color codes. But let's go ahead and unwind all these like we're supposed to. Oh, wait a minute. Forgot to get the Teflon out. Now, the reason for the Teflon is so that when you're pulling through conduit, you don't just rip the sheeting off. Okay, so we got our orange and white, our orange. Do the blue and white. Take our green and white. So we got our orange and white, orange, green and white, our blue and white, our green. So make sure we get all those straightened out. Straighten out as best we can. Okay, then you undo your browns. put them all together. Again, just make sure when we put it all together. Now if you notice, we got a wire that's out of position. Alright? Just want to make sure you get them all in position like they're supposed to. Like so. Okay. Like so. There you go, like so. And you take your handy dandy little wire clippers, trimmers, trim them off. Then, since we went put them in that way, let's just verify. Okay, we're going to verify that we've got the orange on this side on the bottom. So we put our tab on the bottom, put our tab on the bottom, slide it in, make sure it seats. Take the 8P again for the 8 pin, put it in there, grip it. And there you go, YouTube. You just created your own Cat 5 cable with some Cat 5 ends. Like I always say, if Canvas can, you can. So rate, comment, and subscribe down at the bottom. And then we'll see you on the next time. Have a good day, YouTube.